My ring cake has such a Mediterranean feel to it. It starts with the nuts and the figs. Chop up 1 cup of walnuts to the size of a raisin, and same with 1.5 cups of figs.
Kind of look neat.
They smell cool.
Smell that.
Warm, almost honey-like. Toss them together with 2 tablespoons of flour. The flour is going to help them stay scattered about the cake instead of all sinking to the bottom. Yep, and I found these pants and I said, bless my bedazzled bangles. These hips deserve mirrors. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Those hips deserve their own orbit, darling.
Why, thank you.
Separate 4 eggs. It's easier if they're fresh out of the refrigerator. They stay together. It's not as likely to break either. We separate them outside the bowl, so if a yolk bursts, it doesn't ruin the whole batch. Add in your cream of tartar and whisk until there's nice fluffy clouds on top. We're making a French meringue, Julia Child wannabe. And your feathers, feather-tastic, feather phenomenal, feather funky, feather phenomenal, feather funky. I know, I woke up cute today. The universe confirmed it. A French meringue is where you whisk whites to stiff peaks. See the clouds on top? Drizzle in 1/2 cup of sugar. Slowly. You want to give the sugar granules time to dissolve. And whisk to stiff peaks. It'll be all nice and shiny. Plop it into another bowl. You don't have to wash anything this way. Look at you! By the 7 sparkly sands of Sass-ba-boom. Whoa, honey! The bottle just did a wardrobe drive-by. Love it, love it, love it! Wow, did I just get a mystic makeover burst? Now cream your butter and sugar. It takes about 5 minutes. And while that's going on, prepare your pan. Brush melted shortening into all the crevices and dust with flour. See where the flour built up on the ridge there? Tap that out. Or you'll have a flour ridge instead of a cake ridge. Looks a little cleaner there. Love, 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 love the new outfit. Better than that mystic makeover you got. Cosmic couture. This outfit says I can summon storms and do the hustle. Sheesh! The universe really said, shine bright and strike lightning, baby. And back to the batter. Take some of your meringue and mix it into the batter. This is called sacrificing, by the way. You sacrifice this little bit of meringue by deflating it to loosen up the thick batter. Fold in the rest of the meringue. While turning your bowl, go down to the bottom and bring it around. Folding this way helps keep all the tiny bubbles in the meringue. You don't have to get it all the way blended because now we add the walnuts and figs. That gets it folded the rest of the way. Starlight, sparkle, smoocheroonie. My behind is a celestial weapon. Oh, no way. Not again! Oh. Yes. Well, slap my sparkles and call me sequins. Honey, you look like the entire treasury of a disco kingdom. Place it in the middle of your oven and bake for 90 to 95 minutes. Let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. It'll settle down and pull away from the side a little bit. When you're ready to serve it, dust it with some powdered sugar and garnish it with grapes, walnuts, and even more figs. Kinda looks cool. I do feel like a glamorous moon cookie. A powerful moon cookie. Sugar, if the universe gives you fashion planets, you let them orbit. Oh, you're a constellation of couture. Accept it.